Good evening, bachcho. Can you hear me?
Good evening, ma'am.
Can you
Good
hear
evening,
me,
ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Why are so less students here?
This is senior batch.
Okay. Yeah, but only 7 members are there.
They will
Like I
come.
can see only 7 members are there in
Yesterday
meeting.
was
Okay,
holidays,
ma'am.
so
Okay then. Yeah,
holiday
yeah,
hours
yeah.
they will come less,
And
but they will
happy
come.
Sankranti to all. Yeah. Happy Sankranti, ma'am, and happy Sankranti to all of you, bachcho.
You too. Happy Pongal, Saiti.
Yeah.
Miss your
Yeah.
mom.
Thanks, ma'am. Okay. So I will start the class then. Can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so did you all do the homework which was given in the last class? Everyone tried, at least try kar. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will discuss this one fastly. I think this won't take much time, okay? So first question का answer क्या है? They have given like this, right? They are asking what is the conclusion, है ना? So let's see the first option. O and Y में comparison कर रहा है. But we can see that O equals to D and D is greater than Y. So O is greater than Y. So this is wrong. And C is less than D. C is less than D. This is correct, right? B is correct. C or D. O and D are same and C and D are being compared. है ना? See, the thing is, in the final exam, the questions will be mostly easy only, but you should do in the stipulated time. That's the main constraint you will be having. समझ में आया? Okay. Second question. So try to develop a habit of doing fastly. Fast मतलब ये नहीं है कि do uh, rushing and get some wrong answer. नहीं. You should get the correct answer and you should solve fastly. Only then you will be able to crack in a Olympiad type of exams. है ना? Okay. Second question को देखो.
Ma'am, option C.
Yeah, C is correct. ये समझ में आया क्या? Thus, which
Yes,
conclusion
ma'am.
follows beyond the reasonable doubt? मतलब जो 100% करेक्ट होता है वो ही मार्क करना चाहिए. Like there shouldn't be any sub cases until like uh, like in some cases it is true and in some other cases it is false. Then you should not mark that. Only that the conclusion which is 100% true you should mark that. That's it. Okay. Some rats are cats, all cats are bats. So to solve these type of questions, better to draw Venn diagram. अगर Venn diagram से करे तो mostly you won't get any mistakes. Shall I use paint so that it will be better maybe? Okay. तो ये rats है और ये cats है. And still what they are asking? Some rats are cats, all cats are bats, है ना? All cats are bats. Wait, I will adjust this one. So this is rats, this is cats, these are bats. So now we should see which one follows. Array, wait. Let me do
Option
like
D.
this. Option D. 1 minute. Yeah. Some rats are bats. Some rats are bats. Yeah, correct. D is correct answer. No rats are cats. मतलब ये like this will contradict this one, right? So wrong. All bats are rats. All bats rats नहीं हो सकता. Like in some cases it is possible. Like if bat circle is this, like this, then it could be possible. So it is possible in some cases and in some cases it is not possible. तो ये wrong ही समझ लेंगे. All rats are bats. All rats bats नहीं हो सकता. So and see this one, some rats are bats. Some rats, some मतलब just there should be intersection होना चाहिए. That's it. Okay. Just if there is intersection between two circles, then you will say that there is some, like some rats are bats. Okay. Okay. Fourth question को देखो. The recently announced vehicle scrappage policy is expected to generate demand for new commercial vehicles in India. So पहले keywords को identify करो. Okay. See something they have recently announced some policy. Some policy है and that is expected to generate like ये policy demand बढ़ने का कुछ आवश्यकता है मे बी. Demand for new commercial vehicles in India. Okay, so which conclusion follows? Policy has a potential to transform India's automobile sector. ये सही है ना? Because policy के वजह demand बढ़ रही है new commercial vehicles का. Then automobile sector में like there's much potential. ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर का सेल्स ज्यादा बढ़ सकते हैं ना. सो ये सही है. और ऑल ओल्ड व्हीकल्स विल बी स्क्रैप्ड विद इन 1 month. दिस इज नॉट मेंशन्ड हियर. This is not mentioned and this is also not mentioned. Policy applies to only and this is also not mentioned. क्वेश्चन में मेंशन नहीं किया. So we should not assume anything. Only conclusion पूछ रहा है. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन का आंसर. Come on, this one you should tell, right? It's very simple. ये तो तुम करना ही चाहिए. इधर ही है ना. Q is greater than P and T and R is greater than or equals to Q. That means R is greater than P and T, है ना? So both answers, so both the conclusions are correct. Okay, so sixth question. A man must be wise to be a good wrangler. Wrangler मतलब ये होता है कि more और like debate करना वाला, like argument करना वाला. wrangler का मतलब like good conversation करना वाला होता है ना. जो a man must be wise to be a good wrangler. All good wranglers are talkative and boring. Okay. Which conclusion follows logically? Man must be wise to be a good wrangler. All good wranglers are talkative or boring. That means क्या है? Okay, see, 1 minute. So again Venn diagram बनाना चाहिए है ना? Just I will do quickly. Must be wise to be a good wrangler. मतलब ए वाइज मैन है और ये गुड wrangler है और good wranglers are talkative and boring. Wait. Good wranglers are talkative and boring. Wait. All okay. All good wranglers are talkative or boring. मतलब ये ऐसा आना चाहिए. Talkative. Okay. Some wise persons are talkative or boring. या correct है ना? Yeah, C is correct. And all wise persons are boring. नहीं होना चाहिए. Like need not be. This one need not be true because ये wise persons है और ये है talkative and boring. So need not be correct. And all wise persons are good wranglers. नहीं है ना? These all are wise persons, but they are not good wranglers. So this is also wrong. All talkative persons are wise. नहीं होना चाहिए. Like need not be, because here there are some talkative persons who are not wise. Okay. So 7th question को देखो. Now one of you should tell the answer. Any one of you. Just give some random answers, okay? And I will not scold you anything. Just give like what you got, okay? Read the question and think of it. एक minute. One. Can you see, बच्चों? Yeah,
No,
I
ma'am.
think. Can't. Oh, you can't see my screen
No, ma'am. I can't see yours.
now. No.
दिख रहे मैम.
Okay, good. Was it not visible from the starting onwards? Like class के starting में से visible नहीं है क्या? Okay, चलो ये क्वेश्चन करो.
मैम एक्चुअली सब ब्लर ब्लर दिख रहा है.
अच्छा, ओके, 1 minute. एक minute. अच्छा, maybe I can also see like it is somewhat blur on your side, right? Okay. Maybe now can you see? अब देखो बेटा. Can you see
Yes,
now?
ma'am. Yes. Yes,
दिख
ma'am.
रही है
Okay,
मैम
good,
स्क्रीन.
good. Okay. I will zoom out somewhat. हाँ, अब सॉल्व करें. Oh, 1 minute. एक मिनट. अभी ब्लर है क्या? स्क्रीन ब्लर है या?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ओके. Still solve नहीं होया क्या? Why it is taking time? Option?
B.
Yeah, B is correct. Good. And still Vivek, and still Prathamesh, Sania.
Yes, ma'am. Option B.
Yeah, okay. Answer करो ना, like why are you so silent बच्चों? Keep answering. 7th और 9th class के बच्चे तो like they are very active, like they will be giving so much and like frequently answers. So at least you to try somewhat, not like them, at least somewhat. I can understand maybe 10th and 11th में आने पर तो like थोड़ा silent हो जाते हैं बच्चों, but try somewhat, okay? So what they are telling here, Nation X faced increased in international opposition due to its decision to perform nuclear explosions, right? Which conclusion follows? So Nation X ने ज़्यादा न्यूक्लियर एक्सप्लोजन्स करने से उनका इंटरनेशनल अपोजिशन बढ़ गया. सो क्यों इंटरनेशनल अपोजिशन बढ़ गया वो तुम्हें पूछना चाहिए अपने आप को. लाइक क्यों ऐसा हो गया. सो some powerful, अच्छा, okay, they are asking the conclusion, right? Okay, so what happened in the final? So what is the result of doing the nuclear explosions, matlab? Some powerful nations do not want destruction and to harm the environment. Okay, I think there should be, which is the assumption follows like that. If they have asked, then it is somewhat better actually. Okay, so the citizens of Nation X opposed. Okay, the citizens of Nation X opposed the decision. This is not mentioned in the question, right? So A is wrong. Nation X is now only the superpower. This is a false assumption. Okay. Nuclear explosions are always supported internationally. They are not supported, right? That's why many other nations opposed it, right? So B is correct. ये थोड़ा करेक्ट कर लो. कंक्लूजन के अलावा इधर assumption होना चाहिए, then it will be correct. Okay, ये सॉल्व करो. All players are doctors, some doctors are actors. फास्ट करना चाहिए, क्विकली वेन डायग्राम
Option
बनाओ.
A.
और या करेक्ट, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. I thought some will say maybe B. I thought, okay. So good Om. All players are doctors. Players ये है और all players are doctors.
Actors.
ऐसा बना. Some doctors are actors. ऐसा actors, doctors, players है ना. So all actors are doctors नहीं है ना. These are actors but not doctors. Some doctors are players as well as actors. Intersection होने का जरूरी नहीं है actors और players के बीच में. So this is also wrong. All players are actors. नहीं है ना? So D is correct. Okay. और किसी का कोई डाउट है? चलो इन क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. Everyone should answer. Prathamesh and still who are there? Sania must be there, I think.
Answer A, ma'am.
Okay, Pradyum is also there. Okay, Pradyum. Okay. Answer A. Yeah, correct. A is correct. So they are asking assumption in the statement, है ना? So assumption वो statement होता है जो like if the statement is wrong, like if this assumption is wrong, then the statement doesn't make any sense. है ना? So what is assumed? Students are advised to drink enough water. ऐसा क्यों बोला जाता है? Because summer में ज्यादा dehydration होता है. That's why they tell us to drink more water, है ना? Students forgot to drink more water. Drink water. Need not be. Some students are conscious, maybe like you. They will drink more water. They are good students. Water is available only. नहीं है ना? Is harmful in winter. ये तो गलत बात है. Okay, so 10th क्वेश्चन को देखो. हाँ.
Option B.
Option
Yeah,
B.
option B is correct. Yeah, correct. Okay, Pradyum is also answering well. Good, Pradyum, continue like this only. Okay. Okay, James died while on the way to the hospital. A car dashed into the motorcycle James was driving. So just we have to identify which is cause and which is the effect. है ना? Accident करने से ही वो मर गया था. So accident is the cause and death is the effect. Okay. Okay. This one. I will close this maybe. Wait. Huh. Oh. Okay.
Option B.
Okay. Interrupted sleep may contribute to the risk of Alzheimer. Yeah, correct. B is correct. Okay, by any doubt, researchers found that people who walk up frequently in the middle of night have a risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. They are telling like interrupted sleep may contribute to the risk. यही है ना conclusion. और किसी को कोई doubt है?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 12th one. Okay, I will read this one. In 1588, the builder of Rialto Bridge drove pilings into the ground. Until now, they moved to no more than 2 inches after 24 hammer blows. Okay. Like they are telling the pillars, like he have built the pillars. This is some bridge. And the builder of this draw the pilings into the ground so that even after keeping 24 hammer blows, like even after applying 24 hammer blows, arre, even after applying 24 hammer blows, it did not move even 2 inches. That's what they are telling. This bridge.
Option B.
Okay,
Option
good.
B.
Yeah, good. Okay. किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन है और डाउट है? बिल्डर एंश्योर डीप स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन, इसका कंक्लूजन यही है ना, वो ब्रिज ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. That's why even after keeping 24 hammer blows, it did not go inside, like it did not move more. Okay. 13. Recent pollution increases from burning coal may weaken the monsoon's natural ability to wash pollutants out of atmosphere. वैलिड इन्फरेंस क्या है? इन्फरेंस का मतलब ये है कि कंक्लूजन पूछ रहे हैं. दैट्स इट. ओके. ऑप्शन
B.
ऑप्शन बी. Wait, air pollution may become harder to remove naturally. Yeah, correct. Om है ना? Good Om. And still, who are there? Why are nobody answering except Om? What happened to others? कौन है? खुशी है, अभिषेक है, सत्यजीत, प्रद्यु. Okay, Pradyum is telling. Okay, no worries. श्रीदात्री, विवेक. आंसर करो बेटा. Okay. No need to feel shy and no need to feel judged. अगर किसी को कोई समझा नहीं तो ये पूछ लेना, मैम फिर से एक्सप्लेन करो. देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन वन मोर टाइम. ओके. ओके, सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू. पोल्यूशन बढ़ाने से, लाइक पोल्यूशन पोल से आ रहा है, वो लाइक वो पोल्यूशन मॉनसून नेचुरल एबिलिटी को वीकन कर रहा है. ये पोल्यूशन मॉनसून के नेचुरल एबिलिटी को वीकन कर रहा है. और वो नेचुरल एबिलिटी क्या है? टू वॉश द पोल्यूटेंट्स आउट ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर. इसका नेचुरल एबिलिटी है. वो कैसे, वो मत पूछो मैं मुझे. दिस इज सम साइंस फैक्ट. आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट साइंस. Mine is just logical reasoning. Okay. So air pollution may become harder to remove naturally by monsoonal cleansing. अगर pollution बढ़ रहा हो तो monsoon cleaning ability will decrease, right? So air pollution cannot be removed in the future by monsoon's natural ability. Okay, that's what they are trying to tell. अच्छा, okay. 14 को देखो.
Answer is B.
Okay. Crop damage reduce supply leading to yeah, correct. Good. So either they are telling vegetable prices increased by this much this summer because extreme temperatures. Okay, so extreme temperatures के वजह क्रॉप्स डैमेज हो गया और वेजिटेबल और सब्जी का प्राइसेस बढ़ गया 30% से. सो क्रैप डैमेज हो गया और हायर प्राइसेस को लीड किया. ओके. और ये देखो, सिंस द न्यू कम्युनिटी सेंटर विथ रिक्रिएशनल फैसिलिटीज का मतलब ये है कि लाइक some fun activities, maybe some relaxing activities. Okay. ऐसा. So the hospital visits have been reduced. That means what they're telling is, since the people are having these recreational facilities, they reduce the hospital visits. Like hospital पाल कम हो गया.
Option B.
समझ में आया? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Correct is a B.
Recreational activities may contribute to better health outcomes. Yeah, correct. Hospitals was shut down. ये नहीं है ना? People were protected. ये तो definitely wrong है. Free medicines are distributed at the center. नहीं, because the recreational facilities increase. That's why like hospital जाने की भी कम हो गई. Okay. This one.
Option D.
Option D. Donors never discuss the amount they give. Okay. Or
Ma'am, explain me.
anyone else? Okay. Let's explain this one. So people who donate money usually not feel bad when they ask to give more amount, but they often feel bad when they are asked to give very small amount. So like लोग like कुछ लोग आता है ना मनी पूछने के लिए, like they are telling about the rich people, like if we ask less money to them, then they will feel bad. Acha, okay. They will not feel bad when they're asked to give large amount, but they feel bad when they asked to give small amount. Okay. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion क्या है वो हमें बोलना चाहिए. Donors are unable to give large amounts of money. No है ना, because donors are willing to give more money. If the people ask them less money, then they feel bad. है ना, समझ में आया? So donors को more money ही देने की willing है. And it is better to ask donors for reasonable or higher amount than for a very small amount. This is correct, right? So donors को more amount पूछने से ही better है, because they don't feel bad. Don't think about the reality. Reality में ये तो true नहीं होता है. Reality में ये true नहीं है. Just see up to the question, okay? Praising donors is the only way to collect donation. Praising का कहाँ बोल गया है? Like where did they tell about the praising thing? नहीं है ना, so C is wrong. And D को आता है. Donors never discuss the amount they give. ये तो सही ही है, but this is not related to this one, right? Like इस क्वेश्चन के कंक्लूजन नहीं है. D is correct only, but D is not the conclusion of this one. है ना? समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
good. Okay. Just one hypothetical case समझ लो. That's it. Like donors को ज्यादा मनी ही देने का पसंद है, उस तरह. Okay, that's it. ये देखो.
Ma'am, answer is a B. Fitness, rootness. Should we choose laser?
हाँ क्या क्या ऑप्शन
Option D.
कौन सा ऑप्शन? ऑप्शन डी.
B, ma'am. Fitness, rootness.
ऑप्शन बी है ना? ओके, बी इज करेक्ट. बी इज करेक्ट because okay, what is the conclusion they are asking, right? Yoga is good, but it may not be the best choice for someone who is seeking for a fast paced aerobic workout. Fast paced, like yoga is not fast paced, they are telling, है ना? That's why it is not suitable. Yoga is ineffective exercise, but they are telling here popular, so ये गलत है. Fitness routine should be choose according to the personal goals. अगर हमें फास्ट पेस चाहिए तो योगा को नहीं सेलेक्ट करना चाहिए, कुछ और ट्राई करना चाहिए, लाइक जिम हो गया, कुछ अदर समथिंग कैलिस्थेनिक समथिंग एल्स, है ना? सो बी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन एंड योगा इज ओनली फॉर रिलैक्सेशन. दे डिड नॉट मेंशन हियर, है ना? They did not mention here, so how can we think this is the conclusion? Aerobics is superior to all exercises. इधर सुपीरियर का डिस्कशन ही नहीं है ना, लाइक दे आर टेलिंग बेस्ट चॉइस पर समवन हु इज सीकिंग दिस fast pace is not the best for everyone, but it is best for someone who is seeking fast paced. अच्छा ओके, 18 को देखो.
ऑप्शन बी या डी आ सकता है मैम.
Option A,
Option number B.
A.
ओके 1 मिनट, 1 मिनट. B is correct option. I will explain you why. Library officials argue that fewer physical resources are needed today because most content is freely available online. Like online में हमें सब कुछ मिल जाता है ना, like text books हो जा or else anything, any content will be mostly like available है. तो fewer resources की आवश्यकता है. So what is the conclusion? Physical books should be destroyed. They are not telling they should be destroyed, but we need only fewer resources which are not available in the online. Like mostly it is available, but not everything, right? Mostly it is available, but not everything. So only fewer. So this is wrong. Digital content is seen as a functional alternative to traditional resources, है ना? They are telling here, right? Because most of the content is freely available online. Like resources को ये replace कर रहा है ना, online content. So it is seen as a alternative, functional alternative. Online information is always accurate. ये तो गलत है actually. Like actually ही गलत है. Online information is not very accurate. Books are only very accurate actually. Libraries will disappear soon. They are not telling to remove the libraries. They are telling just only fewer resources are required. That's it. And only fewer like resources कम करने का बोल रहा है कि, but libraries permanently to remove करने का नहीं बोल रहा है. So ये भी wrong है. just the conclusion is the books are an okay. The online content is an alternative to the books. That's it. है ना? Okay. किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. 19 क्वेश्चन को देखो. 19 और 20 both. Can you do simultaneously both 19 and 20? Wait. हाँ, yeah.
Option B.
Option B.
Option C, ma'am.
Option C.
Independent can. Yeah, C is correct. They are telling here that independent candidates, like no independent candidates won in the major elections. Like single candidates होते हैं ना elections में, वो like उसका winning probability बहुत कम है. तो who will be winning? Political parties मतलब a group of people who will be contesting for a election or something else like that. Okay. So independent ज्यादा विन नहीं होने का मतलब क्या है? ग्रुप का पीपल है ना, ग्रुप लाइक ग्रुप्स का पीपल, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, वो ज्यादा विन हो रहा है. दे आर डोमिनेंट. And you were telling this one, right? Independent candidates are becoming popular. Acha, okay. I think you may have not seen this no, hai na? You did not see this no, and then you were telling B. Okay. Okay. No A either. 20th. The survey showed that 80% of students believe mobile phones use in the classroom reduces attention span. ये तो गलत है. क्यों? Can anyone tell me why ये is wrong? ये तो wrong है, पर क्यों?
जो 80 लोग इतना मैम.
क्या? हाँ, ये भी है. They believe that mobile phones are a distraction, है ना? But ये 20% doesn't, like 20% होने का जरूरी नहीं है. Like the remaining 20% can be who believes, like दो types of लोग हो सकता है. Like they don't know about anything. Like they don't know like whether the mobile phone is a distraction or it is a useful thing. Or some may believe that okay, mobile phone increases our focus. So many types of people can be there in this 20%. So A is wrong. Okay, so what is correct option?
Option C.
Ma'am.
Yeah, C is correct.
Option C.
Yeah. Okay, so we have completed the paper. So let's move on to a new topic. वो है verbal, non-verbal reasoning है. Okay, how can I go? 1 minute. Okay, yeah, verbal reasoning है. Okay, non-verbal reasoning है. तो non-verbal reasoning means what? What is non-verbal reasoning? Anyone? किसी को पता है non-verbal reasoning मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पिक्चर्स
मैम मतलब
से
इनमें वर्ड्स का यूज नहीं होगा,
क्या क्या बोलो।
मतलब लेटर्स वर्ड्स का मतलब यूज नहीं होगा इधर।
या करेक्ट। तो इधर लेटर्स और वर्ड्स और लैंग्वेज का यूज नहीं होता, सिर्फ विजुअल्स होता है। लाइक सम फिगर्स हो गया, लाइक सीरीज होता है, सीरीज लाइक सीरीज इन फिगर्स होता है। तो इधर आप क्या करना है, तो आप शेप डायरेक्शन नंबर साइज रोटेशन इन पैरामीटर्स पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। Let's see one question and then you will understand. Figure matrix is somewhat good questions, like they are good questions. So we will do at last. पहले हम easy questions कर लेते हैं, okay? First we will do the mirror images, okay? Mirror images are somewhat easier, I feel. एक minute. हाँ, इसका मिरर इमेज बताना चाहिए।
आंसर इज
अगर मिरर
4
नहीं
करेक्ट।
मेंशन किया तो आप इधर ही ओके 4 या 4 इज करेक्ट। क्यों? इधर इधर यह स्मॉल पार्ट है ना, स्मॉल पार्ट इज इन द राइट साइड, नाउ इट शुड कम टू लेफ्ट साइड, है ना, मिरर इमेज हो रहा है। सो राइट साइड में इधर स्मॉल गैप है, लाइक इस गैप। अब यहाँ आ रहा है, ये तो रॉन्ग
Yes.
है, ये तो इनिशियल। यहाँ small gap is in the right side only, but now it should come to left side, right? So 4 is correct. Okay. 7 को देखो, जस्ट आप विजुअलाइज करना चाहिए, दैट्स इट। आपके दिमाग में ये सब करना चाहिए। These are the क्या क्या which option?
4
Yeah, 4 is correct. सबको आया है? Yes,
यस
no,
मैम।
okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So कैसा किया? इधर ब्लैक है ना, so black should come this side. तो ये गया, ये भी गया, इन दोनों में हमें कंपेयर करना चाहिए। इधर द ट्रायंगल इज लाइक दिस है ना, सो इफ यू टेक ए मिरर इमेज अगेन इट विल कम लाइक दिस। ना ये को देखो, मिरर इमेज है ऐसा।
Option 2.
ऑप्शन 4
या
ऑप्शन 2
ऑप्शन
ही
4
मैम।
is correct. Option 2 is wrong, but see the mirror is in the either the mirror is like this, no? So
4.
yeah, 4 is correct. 4 is correct. Why? Like why I need to explain, right? Okay, so आप मिरर इधर रखे तो, आप मिरर इधर रखे तो then you will get 2, है ना? But see the mirror is here. Okay. I think in the exam they will mention where the mirror is. Okay. But if they did not mention, take lateral only. Lateral mirror image ही consider करो. Okay. 9th one. मिरर अब यहाँ है।
ऑप्शन 3।
हाँ सही है, या 3 is correct. सबको आया है 3. See the 2 arrows in the left side. नहीं, right side 2 arrows are there. Mirror image के होने के बाद 2 arrows will be in the left side. Left side में 2 arrows third and fourth में है ना, और ये देखो, ये तो नीचे है और मिरर इमेज के बाद भी नीचे ही होना चाहिए। So 3 is correct. Okay. 10th, like थोड़ा डिटेल्स ऑब्जर्व करना चाहिए। That's it. Then you will get. Observe the minute details.
ऑप्शन 4
Option 3.
Option
Option
3.
3. Okay, 1 minute. I will also do. Yeah, 3 is correct. Q, because इधर है ना, this one. Like the big straight line is there, no? Like this big straight line. This is downside of the small straight line है ना? ये तो small straight line है, ये तो big straight line है. This is downside. So if you take like this, ऐसा और ऐसा आ जाता है ना? So in this you will get. यहाँ तो you are getting like this. So this is wrong. Okay. सीरीज हम नेक्स्ट कर लेते हैं. ये देखो, this will be somewhat fun. Embedded figures. Like you should find this is there in which figure. ये कहाँ छुपा है वो हमें फाइंड करना चाहिए. ये कहाँ छुपा है इन सब फिगर्स में.
Option 1.
Yeah, 1 is correct. तो कहाँ? Let's start from here, here, here. है ना? Okay. 17. जल्दी से बताना
Option
चाहिए.
2.
Option 2.
Option 4. Sorry, ma'am. Option
Minute.
4.
Yeah, option 4 is correct. See here. ऐसा 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 है ना? Okay. 18.
Option 1.
Option 4.
Option 4. Option. Okay, option 4 है ना? Because you can see ऐसा ऐसा करके. Sorry, my drawing is very bad. 4 is correct. You can see here now it is going like this. Okay. 19.
Option 3, ma'am.
3. Option 3.
3. Yeah, 3 is correct. Because you can see that है ना? Yeah. 20.
Option 4.
Yeah, correct. 4. Wait. See, either here it is there. Okay, now we will go to these questions.
Option 4.
Yeah, option 4 is correct. कैसा बच्चों? How did you get the 4th option?
मैम
4th is
जो
correct.
पहले में था ना ट्रायंगल था, उसके बाद में उसके दूसरे बॉक्स में एक स्ट्रेट लाइन और सर्कल था, और फिर
हाँ.
लास्ट वाले बॉक्स में जो मतलब डाला था वो लास्ट
Yeah,
वाले
yeah,
बॉक्स
yeah.
में.
Yeah, correct. So 1 and 3 को combine करे तो हमें middle like we should get the middle one, or else subtract the first one from the second one. Second minus 1 करे तो हमें 3 आना चाहिए. Okay, that's what they are following here. तो in second में से, like if you remove this one, then you will be getting square ऐसा ना. That's why 4 is correct. इसको देखो, somewhat easier, but still you should answer quickly.
Option 2.
Yeah, 2 is correct. Yeah, you can just see like this figure is there. First figure को 4 dots मिलते तो हमें last figure आ जाता है ना? So 2 is correct. 3 देखो.
Option number
Option number?
Option A.
A.
Yeah, A is correct. So what is happening? ये देखो, इन दोनों को ऐड करते तो हमें थर्ड फिगर आता है ना? ये समझ में आया हमको. पर इसमें थोड़ा डाउट है मे बी. ओके, लेट्स सी. If we add these two, then we are getting this one. That means क्या है? कॉमन में होने चीज डिलीट हो रहा है. If there is something in common, अगर कॉमन है तो वो डिलीट हो रहा है and then we are adding. Common part is deleting. हाँ. So if we add these two, there are no common things, right? So we are getting A. That's it. 4 को देखो.
Option 3.
क्या 3 is correct. तो Q. इसको देखो, bottom semicircle has changed to like this. So bottom part is fixed. So these all are wrong. 2 is wrong and 4 is also wrong. Now we should check in 1 and 3. तो above part कैसे change हो रहा है? That we should observe, है ना? If you see this one, if the upper semicircle is like this, then it is changing to this one for the upper part. If we उल्टा कर देते तो then this will also become ulta. It is becoming like this. है ना? So 3 is correct. समझ में आया? जस्ट उल्टा कर दो, that's it. अब 5th को सॉल्व करो. 5th is somewhat trickier.
Option 3.
Yeah, 3 is correct. कैसा?
मैम सब में से कॉमन थिंग्स निकाल रहे हैं.
Yeah, common thing. So what is common in this
पहले
one?
में
So सर्किल कॉमन है और ये कॉमन है ना? That's it. इधर भी क्या कॉमन है? Only this one is common. और यहाँ में क्या कॉमन है? वो like only this dot. 3 is correct. Okay, good. So we will move on to the last part. अरे wait. हाँ, इधर सीरीज के क्वेश्चंस. हम पहले सीरीज किया था ना? Like we did series with the numbers. Now we will do with the figures.
Option 3.
Option
Option 4,
3.
sorry. 4, 4.
Option 4. No, 3 is only correct, I think. Okay, let's start. 1 minute. हाँ. 1 minute बच्चों. Once you keep solving 12th one also.
Option is true, correct, ma'am.
हाँ क्या Option 2.
2, ma'am, 2.
Okay, 2. Okay, so let's discuss both the questions. तो इधर क्या हो रहा है? इन अपर राइट कॉर्नर पे जो लेटर है वो बड़ा होके लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे like this will come in the left corner and it will invert like ऐसा. इधर ऐसे तो ऐसा बन के ऐसा हो जाता है. एल ले तो ऐसा बन के ऐसा हो जाता है. सी है ना? It is coming here, here. This will come here. This will come here. This will come here. So Z ऐसा है. Mirror image तो what will get? ऐसा है ना?
Pi आएगा, ma'am.
So yeah. But the thing is, in like every time we are getting a new letter only, है ना? See here, S is new letter, N is new letter, L is new letter, Y is also a new letter, right? Z is also a new letter. But S is already repeated here, so we should not get S. है ना? So C आना चाहिए. समझ में आया? Maybe a bit confusing in between 3 and 4, but we should make some logic. कुछ ना लॉजिक फाइंड करना है और मार्क करना है ना? लाइक मोस्ट पॉसिबल लॉजिक तुम्हें फाइंड करना है और मार्क करना है. 12th वन को देखते हैं. तो इधर क्या हो रहा है? फिदर्स लाइक वेयर आर द सिंबल्स आर मूविंग, वो हमें पता चलना चाहिए. फर्स्ट दिस थिंग इज देयर, राइट? दिस इज गोइंग लाइक दिस. ये ऐसा चल रहा है और ये ऐसा जा रहा है और ये इक्वल टू साइन इज गॉन लाइक दिस. तो यहाँ भी दिस स्क्वायर सिंबल शुड गो अप. तो स्क्वायर सिंबल अब कहाँ पर है? वही है ना? ओके, या स्क्वायर सिंबल इधर ओनली इन 2 में है, सो 2 इज करेक्ट. ओके. ओके. 13th क्वेश्चन.
Answer 4, ma'am.
Answer 4. Okay. Let's see this one. तो इधर क्या हो रहा है? फर्स्ट ये प्लस सिंबल इधर गया और ये दिस सिंबल, ये सिंबल है. 1 minute. Okay, wait. So first plus symbol has gone here, and then what is going? Only minus symbol gone, right? Only minus symbol gone here. है ना? Only minus symbol went here, and then what is happening here? और ये इधर आया और नेक्स्ट ये इधर आया और नेक्स्ट ये इधर आना चाहिए, है ना? So see, actually, 1 minute. Where is the eraser? Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. The minus symbol is going in this direction. ये ऐसा गया और ये ऐसा गया तो ये ऐसा. See the direction pattern, 45 degrees rotation आ रहा है. So option 4 is correct. Good. 14th one. 14th one is good question.
Answer is the 3, ma'am.
कौन सा? Which option?
3, ma'am.
Okay, 3. Okay, let's see. तो इधर क्या हो रहा है? Observe the pattern. Like ये तो समझ में आना चाहिए ना? Like this big square is going up and then left and then down and then right. Like ऐसा घूम रहा है सब, है ना? This is clear, right? Basic one. But now see this one shaded part. ये shaded part को देखो. This shaded part is going ऐसा, like in this direction it is going. In clockwise direction, this shaded part is changing. है ना? First here it is there, next either. So it is moving in the anti-clockwise like clockwise direction. Big square में ऐसा चल रहा है. That shaded part is there, no? That one. So first, this shaded part has moved by 1 unit plus 1 chala. Then this shaded part has moved by 2 units. 2 units chala. Plus 2. और then इस shaded part has moved 1, 2, 3. 3 units चल गया. 1, 2, 3. है ना? इधर से इधर 3 units. Plus 3. और इधर से इधर 4 units गया. 1, 2, 3, 4. दिख रहा है 1 2 3 4 या एंड नेक्स्ट हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स विल इट मूव 5 यूनिट्स है ना 1 2 3 4 5 सो इन 1 और 2 में एक ऑप्शन हमें फाइंड करना है वेट 1 मिनट 1 2 3 4 ओके 1 2 3 4 5 3 is wrong beta 3 is wrong and 4 is also wrong 1 2 और 5 में हमें चेक करना चाहिए so 3 is wrong be careful fifth में okay so again in the smaller square में हमें observe करना चाहिए in the smaller square if you observe that the shaded region है ना this shaded region that is moving in the anti-clockwise direction ऐसा चल रहा है like ऐसा okay again by 1 unit 2 unit 3 unit same logic 1 unit again 2 units it has gone 1 2 again 3 units 1 2 3 again 4 units 1 2 3 4 again 5 units it has to go 1 2 3 4 5 okay that means it should come in the second 2 is correct once you check 1 2 3
Second is
4
the correct.
5 wait let me check once 1 2 3 4 5 wait 1 is correct actually sorry my mistake yeah see there it is there like this है ना 1 minute यहाँ है shaded region 1 2 3 4 5 so either it will come next shaded part so option 1 समझ में आया किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ
Yes,
लेना
ma'am.
अभी
No doubt.
ओके गुड 15 को देखो 15 भी सिमिलर नहीं सिमिलर नहीं है थोड़ा इरेगुलरिटी है बट यू शुड सी व्हाट इज द पैटर्न ही देखो
Ma'am, answer 2.
आंसर 2 ओके लेट्स चेक तो इधर क्या हो रहा है दिस वन इज बिकमिंग इनसाइड है ना फर्स्ट दिस इज आउटसाइड एंड देन इट इज चेंजिंग टू इनसाइड तो ओनली वन चेंज आ रहा है ओनली वन चेंज पर इधर देखो इधर 2 चेंज हो रहा है उसका ओरिएंटेशन लाइक लाइक 2 हाफ लाइक 2 सीज का ओरिएंटेशन चेंज हो रही है तो इधर से इधर 2 चेंजेस पर इधर से इधर देखो अगेन देयर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग दीज 3 आर चेंजिंग आप देख सकते हो क्या 3 आर चेंजिंग ये अंदर ये बाहर और ये बाहर अगेन या सो इधर 3 चेंजेस है and next from D to E if you see from D to E there's some irregularity है ना only one is changing only this one नहीं wait yeah only this one is changing so either mostly the pattern like what could be the pattern 1 2 3 फिर से 1 आया then again we should get 2 again 3 again 1 2 3 ऐसा हाँ बोलो बेटा एनी डाउट पूछ लेना नो प्रॉब्लम
नो मैम नहीं
ओके Okay, so now 2 should change. Like 2 should change now, right? That 2, which 2? Next 2. Like these 2 should change. है ना? So what we will get? ये ऐसा. This one reverse, and like this. So what is the option? 1, है ना? 1 is correct. समझ में आया? So this is how we will do. और कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लेना. Or tell me, did you get holidays like today and yesterday and tomorrow? Is Pongal a big festival here? महाराष्ट्र में पोंगल एक big festival है क्या? In our side, हाँ बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, तो तुम्हें तो holidays, like you may have get some holidays है ना? कितने दिन आया holidays?
कल थी मैम सिर्फ.
क्या? Come again?
कल थी.
Only कल.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Kali.
Only 1 day for Pongal. In our side, like the kids used to get 7 days for Pongal. Like my
Pongal क्या
native
है?
place is Andhra. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
पोंगल क्या है मैम?
हाँ पोंगल के लिए ही like हमें तो 7 holidays मिलते थे. पर
कौन
I
सा
think in
फेस्टिवल है मैम?
Maharashtra it is. या
मैम उससे
पोंगल ही बेटा.
मैम उससे
या
महाराष्ट्र में संक्रांत बोलते हैं.
क्या?
मकर संक्रांत.
हाँ मकर संक्रांति. Yeah, you will call it as संक्रांत है ना? We will call it as संक्रांति.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
आंध्र प्रदेश में तो we will be getting 7 days of holidays. Even for teachers, there will be 7 days of holidays. But इधर तो only 1 day. And in our college, we are not getting any holidays here. So what is the biggest festival in Maharashtra?
दिवाली.
Diwali. Diwali पर
गुड़ी
like
पालवा.
हाँ क्या बुरी पालवा.
गुड़ी पाड़वा.
गुड़ी पाड़वा.
होली.
अच्छा, like वो कब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं?
मार्च एंड में.
होली मैम.
मार्च एंड में. अच्छा होली भी. हाँ होली भी. I think Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the biggest festival, right, in Maharashtra.
यस मैम.
I don't know, maybe in Mumbai it is biggest. Mumbai में तो like they will do very grandly Ganesh Chaturthi, and Holi is also celebrated good, I think. Okay, तो तुम्हारा मार्च में we will be getting a big festival here, right? We will be calling that as Ugadi, I think. In our side, we will be calling that as Ugadi. Do you know like what it is? It is beginning of a new year, I think, in
Yes,
Telugu, like in this calendar, है ना? In Indian calendar, something it's new beginning. Yeah. और still कौन से टॉपिक्स में आपको डाउट है? पहला हम सीक्वेंसेस किया था. सीक्वेंसेस एंड सीरीज किया पहले. Sequences and series. Actually, I'm writing with the mouse. That's why handwriting is coming so worst. पहला ही मेरा handwriting उतना अच्छी तो नहीं होता, but yeah, but still with the mouse it is becoming even worse, right? And फिर से हम क्या डिस्कस किया था? हम फैमिली रिलेशंस भी डिस्कस किया था. अच्छा, फैमिली रिलेशंस पे मैं एक वर्कशीट दिया था, वो किया या नहीं? और कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स चाहिए क्या आपको? फैमिली रिलेशंस. ओके, आई विल गिव दिस वन, more problems on family relations, and then we have did ranking and ordering wala. Ranking and ordering. लाइक वो क्वेश्चन है था लाइक होता है ना लाइक सो मेनी स्टेटमेंट्स विल बी गिवन एंड यू शुड फॉर्म ए ऑर्डर लाइक दिस ए लेस देन बी लेस देन सी लेस देन डी, ऐसा कुछ equals to e something order you should like you should generate an order. वो हमें किया था और फिर हमें किया था assumptions किया था assumptions हमें starting of the class we have did right assumptions किया था. माउस से तो अच्छा ही नहीं आ रहा, it is very difficult to write with mouse. assumptions किया था और conclusions भी किया था है ना, conclusions or else inferences. और हम नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग में भी ज्यादा किया था. आई विल गिव यू सम क्वेश्चंस, नॉन वर्बल भी हमें किया था. तो हमें सीक्वेंस और सीरीज में तुम तो अच्छे ही कर रहे थे, फैमिली रिलेशंस में तो आई विल गिव वन मोर वर्कशीट ओके, एंड आई विल गिव वन मोर, एंड अजम्पशन कंक्लूजन तो कंप्लीट हो गया, एंड नॉन वर्बल में भी मैं एक टेस्ट पेपर दूंगा ओके. Solve this and come prepared from the next class okay. Solve the question papers and come to the class okay. Okay, that's it बच्चों. Bye bye.
बाय मैम.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Good night. Okay. Minute. तो